The 2026 Cadillac Escalade continues to build upon its legacy as one of the most iconic luxury SUVs on the market. With a bold and commanding presence, the new Escalade merges cutting-edge technology, refined comfort, and unmatched performance in a way few vehicles in its class can rival. The exterior maintains its familiar large, imposing stance, but with subtle refinements to the grille design, lighting elements, and aerodynamics. The front fascia is more sculpted, with slimmer LED headlights and a cleaner integration of Cadillac's signature lighting theme. The new color palette offers deeper, richer hues, and available trims now include new wool designs that enhance the SUV's visual strength and elegance. Inside, the Escalade 2026 elevates the cabin experience to new heights. Cadillac's obsession with detail is evident in every stitch and surface. Premium materials such as semi-aniline leather, open-pore wood, and brushed metal dominate the interior. The 2026 model features an expanded OLED display system, stretching across the dashboard with vibrant resolution and intuitive control. Augmented reality navigation, haptic feedback on the steering wheel, and customizable ambient lighting contribute to a futuristic and personalized driving experience. Passenger comfort is prioritized with massaging seats, improved acoustic insulation, and enhanced rear seat entertainment systems. A new executive seating package provides first-class comfort with additional adjustments, ventilation, and connectivity for the second-row passengers. Under the hood, the 2026 Escalade offers a range of powertrains, including the tried-and-true 6.2L V8, now paired with updated software for better fuel efficiency and smoother torque delivery. More notably, Cadillac continues to push electrification with the availability of the Escalade IQ, a fully electric variant that utilizes GM's Ultium battery platform. With over 450 miles of projected range and rapid charging capabilities, the Escalade IQ combines zero-emission driving with the brute strength and size that the nameplate is known for. Performance remains a priority, and both versions of the Escalade boast responsive steering, magnetic ride control, and air suspension systems that adapt to changing road conditions in real time, ensuring a smooth and confident ride. Cadillac's Super Cruise hands-free driving technology has also been upgraded in the 2026 model, allowing for automated lane changes and improved recognition of traffic scenarios, now usable on more roadways than ever before. Enhanced safety features include improved pedestrian detection, night vision, cross-traffic automatic braking, and a new AI-powered driver monitoring system that ensures attentiveness while using hands-free features. Integration with the latest version of Cadillac's infotainment software allows seamless updates, advanced voice commands, and full wireless compatibility with smart devices. In every way, the 2026 Cadillac Escalade exemplifies